When we post to our brother Bujalu, that our brother say akacham concerning Ifeanyi Uba Mel regarding one Reverend Father, dịka ọkwa gbagburu n'ime room nobody is talking about. And the Reverend Father all drag concerning that incident. After maybe Reverend Father could anything concerning if that Reverend Father Okubabu. Now, the first speech in Afeba said that now the bedroom of late Reverend Father Dr. Edmund Nwabara, where he breathed his last. Now, Jaru now wrote this thing. Now, Chego Putarege, but said that now, Father Ibubedike, the worst fight is fighting man that has nothing to lose. I have written my will and marked my grave. So bring it on. Which fire did you guys said by Father Nwabara? Was he by for your current Oga to come in? Do you think is every faithful day? Answer, yes, Father. What was the investigation result? Anyone that sees Father Ebubedike in the altar where he will spread his filthy hands and say, let us pray, he actually meant let us pretend. Ifeanyi Uba is Dada like me. Even if you guys succeed to bring me down like many, a whole others will rise. If you are really spiritual, you will know that many fakes under Christ will be exposed in 2026. Do you now understand? But since Yahoo made that post, I've put and that Reverend Father for the baby corner judicial, I don't think for the baby respond to go to this thing. So what really happened to that Reverend Father Nwabara? Because all the car ever for no bebo okono babu. Yeah, the outcome of the investigation, what really was wrong, what happened to the Reverend Father? Uka ishile ike o. Uka amalo de nyana politics nke ka dị dangerous, I'm telling you. The politics dị n'ime church amalo mo nyana government politics nke ka where that is the dangerous. Na agwa the truth. Onwego the Reverend Father okwu kita ebe anu onwela ozali ya disi ajụjụ. Kedu ife mee that Reverend Father? How come ọkụ ji gbagbu ya? Kedu ife mee?